Hello, wonderful people. It's your host at CEO Efua Success on the program Let's Face It. And today I'll be taking you on a message which I titled Microscope Sight. And this message is going to help a lot of people that do see things with their microscope sight and thereby magnifying it in their mind instead of seeing things with their foresight and with their sound mind. Have you ever wondered why the Holy One never created our sight to see things in form of a microscope view? Have you ever wondered? To me, this is because microscope view magnify things and it makes things bigger than it appears, and this will cause us to live in fear. Many of us have created microscope sight and magnifying mind for ourselves that see little things as giants and thereby subdue ourselves to them. Little things like heartbreak, threats, death, lack, challenges, sickness, shakings, attack, and the little things that poses threats to us as we live our life daily. Creating a microscope sight and a magnifying mind for yourself will destroy you. Why? This will cause you to start seeing things that you can easily destroy as if they can destroy you. Imagine eating your food with a magnifying glass in public. I can bet you that you are not going to finish that food. Why? Because many invisible things that are not visible to our eyes that will be flying in around you that poses no threats to you, but because of the magnifying glass, you may see them as threats. Remember the children of Israelites in the Holy Book when they were sent out to spy on the promised land. Some said they are like giants and we are like grasshopper. They are bigger than us. They will attack us and they will destroy us. While others said, let us go and possess the land. We can do it. They all saw the same thing. But one set of people see these things with a magnifying mind and a microscope sight, while the others see these things with great foresight and a sound mind, which help them to possess the promised land. Now, I'm going to ask you this question. Are you sure that these challenges poses great threats to you as you magnify them in your mind? Or are you just seeing them with a magnified mind and a microscope sight instead of seeing them with foresight and a sound mind? Or are you allowing what you can destroy to destroy you because of the microscope sight and a magnifying mind that you have created for yourself? Think about this and go back to the roots of those challenges with a great foresight and a clear mind, and you will find out that you do not need an excavator to uproot those challenges. All you need is just a sound mind, and you will be able to uproot the roots of these challenges around you with your bare hands. So my message today is, let's destroy every microscope sight and magnifying mind that we have created for ourselves and start seeing things with great foresight and a sound mind, so we don't allow what we can destroy to destroy us. Thank you. God bless you. I still remain your host as CEO Efua Success on the program Let's Feast It. Thank you.